Traders, happy Thursday. Welcome. Good to have you on as always. Hoa, Charlie, what's up? So, had a nice morning so far on the European Open side of things. I got some nice DAX shorts here. We do have some news, however, coming out. We did have some in the next 8 minutes, actually, the Euro refinancing rate decision. So, interest rate decisions for the Euro. So, nice to get in and out of the trade, pretty neat. And I actually did tweet about this. I was kind of out here at 24,435, kind of full out again at a little bit lower at 420. So I missed out in inverted commas on another 60 points, 70 points of fall. But you can never catch all of the move, right? Take your piece and get out of it. So a lot of guys have asked me, what am I actually using for these trades? Again, I'm using the opening range, right? High and low. And then the open VWAP. So London Open is at 3 a.m. Eastern time at the moment. I managed to catch that now short over there. I did sit through a little bit of drawdown and almost actually getting stopped out. My stop was about 5:15. We did get quite close, but managed to hold on in there. So a nice little, I also actually managed to add in as well. So nice little add there. And let's go over my trades. I want to go over this trade again from yesterday as well. Actually, I got long before this spark. I mean, it was pretty, literally, I think if I'm not, let me actually get it out. It was actually pretty wild. I was trying to short YM yesterday and I kind of got out for a loss on that, nothing too big. And then I flipped long on ES and managed to catch that. It was pretty quick, actually. Like, I literally was like, I'm long. Where was it? Yeah, let's go like this. Trying some longs here on ES. And literally took the long because we were failing to come lower. We got back above the London, the New York session VWAP and into the opening range. And then literally 5 minutes later, boom, opening range high, take profit hit. So it was pretty quick. But yeah, anyways, just showing you that, you're not going to get the direction right all the time. And you're never going to, even with the Edgeful stats, you're never going to be perfect. But I managed to get out of my losing trade on YM and then actually managed to flip and get long on ES. So, I must say, yesterday, I did like the shorts for continuation, especially also on NQ. We were, the opening candle continuation report was telling us that we could see some further downside. But again, they're just reading that is a nice thing about the discretional trading, just reading and watching what's in front of me and then managed to flip long on ES and get the longs there. So, yeah, I've actually managed to secure some more payouts. I actually did tweet about this as well, and they'll put me about 11K in payouts on the month with a $2,000 spend, so 9K worth of profit. So I'll take that, and it's not even the end of the month yet. We've still actually got one more week left. So yeah, a good end to the week, I must say. So there we go. I did tweet about it over here. There we go. You can see over there. 11K on the month and with a $2,000 spend. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a good month too. I think, I've been moving over to these instant accounts, with these prop firms, and I'm enjoying them. So yeah. How's your guys' month been? Yes, sir. What's up, Hoa? Good to have you on as always. How's your guys' month been? How's everything your side? And then while I am here, make sure to check out the link in my bio for that free trial to Edgeful if you guys want to come check it out. We'll go over some more reports here. But I think, obviously, let's just look at what we do have on the cards right now. We did have earnings last night. Well, night for my time, evening for the Americans. We have Tesla and Google. And then today, nothing really big besides maybe Intel and Coca-Cola. And then that's kind of it for this week. But we're still trading underneath previous day's highs. We obviously did get quite a big rally to end the day from I was literally out at 343. We did end up 20 points higher. We closed on the highs yesterday, and we still are trading at that daily close price or the daily open price for today. So in terms of trades and what I'm looking at this morning, I think just seeing what we do, how we play out. The last 2 days have been quite interesting on the Nasdaq. The opening range plays have been quite nice with the Edgeful algo side of things. We've both got those opening range flushes to the downside, kind of the last 2 days on NQ. So going to be interesting to see what we get the rest of the day. But again, also NQ trading underneath that daily open price. So I'm just going to read and react to what we do get. Any questions? How's your week been, Charlie? Good to have you on. How's your guys' week, month been? I think the biggest, thing for me this month has been just, not staying focused and treating it one day at a time. The payouts will come, profits will come. I'm trading personal account and prop firms, but the money will come. You just got to stay focused on just one day at a time, and that's kind of been the big thing for me at the moment. So, yeah, I'm just grateful to be able to do this every single day, right on the desk, every single day with you guys. Perfect. Let's go over maybe some gold. I know guys wanted to, always looking at some different stuff here. Let's go over gold. We can see, by the way, all the German stocks are red this morning as well. So that's probably why the DAX also taking a little bit of a hit this morning too. But all the German stocks are down as well. Mag 7 stocks here pre-market. Tesla trading down 6% after earnings yesterday. Google is trading up 3%. So yeah. Tesla, man, been getting hit after earnings for sure. So that maybe NASDAQ gets that opening range follow through again to the downside because of Tesla. Obviously, NASDAQ being mainly tech driven, right? So, yeah. But in terms of, let's go over gold. Gold this morning moving lower after yesterday's sell-off as well. Again, trading underneath previous day's lows. So maybe wanting to look for continuation, we can actually bring up gold over here. Let's go over GC. Like this, GC from the futures markets. Let's go over the previous day's range report. Okay, like this, previous day's range report. And we can actually see over here. Let's go to the last. Let's go to the last 3 months. Just from the New York session. Let's go to the daily session. So it's from the whole day. We can actually see over here that if we take out the previous day's lows, 71% of the time we will actually close as a bearish closing day. So maybe gold shorts into the rest of the afternoon. But yeah, for me, someone's asking here on YouTube, how simple is your strategy? I'm literally just trading opening range with the VWAP. So opening range for the first 15 minutes and New York session VWAP. Obviously, if I'm trading a US index or if I'm trading a European index like the DAX, I am trading the London opening range. So like today's trade, very, very simple. Okay. We got the flipping anchored VWAP is doing this, putting the bands on. I don't want it. Very, very simple. We got the daily VWAP over here coupled with the London VWAP and the opening range high and low. We take out the lows. Okay. We take out the lows here. I'll get in on a pullback, stop at the high. We move low. Does it work all the time? No strategy works all the time. Right. I'm just trading my probability. So I'm just trading opening range with VWAP. That's all I'm doing. But yeah, it was going to be, as I said, it's going to be interesting to see what we do get rest of the trading day. Let me just move these call outs and everything like that. And the short position and the vertical line like that. Okay. If you want to come check out these opening range again, opening range high and low, it's all plotted in for me by the Edgeful indicator. If you come here to invite only, if you've got the Edgeful membership, that's where it will come up. And where can you find it? Actually, on the right-hand side of here, you can see it says Trading View Indicator Access. Go over there to the right-hand side and make sure that you select that and you will get access to it. With regards to the Discord, you can join there on the right-hand side as well. It's free, of course. And then the Ninja Trader Indicator Access as well is there too. Live support, bottom right-hand section. I see a lot of guys sometimes in the Discord. If you want anything, the quickest way to get it is in the bottom right-hand section over there, right? So, yeah, let's have a good session. We do have some news, as mentioned, coming out with the Euro now. It's just happened. And then we also do have some USD news as well heading into the Open. 50 minutes into the Open, 3:45 p.m. South African time. That is 9:45 a.m. Eastern. Have a good trading day, guys. We'll see you in here the rest of the day. Let's end the month off strong. If you've got any questions, let me know. I'm always here. And then I will be live on ASFX TV, as always, in my live trading room. Trading with the guys to be, into the close and open, of course, right? For like 3 hours. But yes, we can come check out my trading room over there, as well as Edgeful, as mentioned, 7-day free trial there. And then my trading room is here in the link in my bio. I'll put it here in the Discord and in the chat. Appreciate you guys. And we'll see you for the open. Let's have a good one.